अस्सलामुअलैकुम। हाउ आर यू ऑल फ्रेंड्स? आई होप दैट ऑल आर फाइन। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके सामने 515 MELT के नोट्स लेकर हाजिर हुआ हूँ और जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। और मैं आज आपको MCQs करवाऊँगा। 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन होंगे, 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन होंगे जो कि बार बार पेपर्स में रिपीट हो चुके हैं। और अगर आप ये वीडियो मुकम्मल देखेंगे और बगौर लिसन करेंगे तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपके 70 से 80% मार्क्स यकीनन आ जाएंगे। तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए, मुकम्मल देखिए और इंशाल्लाह ताला आपकी तैयारी बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी। इसमें मैं आपको MCQs करवाऊँगा जो कि बार बार रिपीट हुए हैं। तो अगर आपके MCQs की अच्छी प्रिपरेशन हो गई तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हो जाएगा। तो बाकी हम 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन भी करेंगे, 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन भी करेंगे। तो बगैर टाइम ज़ाया किए फ्रेंड्स, आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 515 सब्जेक्ट है MELT का, तो शुरू करते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्किल नेगलेक्ट इन पाकिस्तानी क्लासरूम? रीडिंग, राइटिंग, लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग। द राइट ऑप्शन इज राइटिंग. नेक्स्ट, which punctuation marks is used at the end of a sentence and after the initials? Comma, full stop, semicolon, exclamatory mark. The right option is full stop. The next is ESL stands for English as a second language, and ESP stands for English for specific purposes. Next, what distinguishes the philosophy of religion from theology? It's an example of comparison contrast. And the next is, in what ways can a company maintain good relations with its union employees without being unfair to its non-union employees? And it is an example of classification. Next is, why is the Renaissance considered a departure from the Middle Age and the beginning of modernity? It's an example of cause and effect. I friend repeat, this MCQ is so much important. Why is the Renaissance considered a departure from the Middle Age and the beginning of modernity? It is an example of cause and effect. And next is, sandwich approach is sandwich approach is soft course, soft to hard, middle soft, strict course. The right option is soft course. And next, dictogloss is useful for vocabulary acquisition too in very much the same way. Next, read each sentence to find out whether there is any grammatical error in it. The error, if any, will be in one part of the sentence. The options are: we discussed about the problem so thoroughly on the eve of the examination that I found it very easy to work it out. No error. The right answer is first option. We discussed about the problem so thoroughly. And the next is, the main focus of writing skills of Pakistani schools. Options are listening, reading, writing, speaking. The right answer is speaking. Such tasks deal with discussion or explanation or relation among event or problem. Cause, compare, classification. The right answer is compare. And the next is, Pakistani Book of Government School lack proper planning. And the next is, what was the traditional relationship people and their ruler among the Middle Ages? Cause, compare, classification. The right answer is classification. And the next is, the word jargon is specialized vocabulary. Next, the word empirical related to theory. The word empirical is related to theory. Which is not in the punctuation? Hashtag, colon, semicolon, full stop. The right answer is hashtag. I repeat the question. Which is not in the punctuation? Right answer is hashtag. And question is a gist of the message is summary. Next question is in Pakistani classroom lack of attention to writing listening. Right option is writing listening. In Pakistani classroom lack of attention to writing listening. The next is newspaper advertisement are the example of genre. Genre register all of the given option. The right answer is genre. Newspaper advertisement are the example of genre. Next is reformulation involves a speaker's rewriting, native speaker's rewriting, no native speaker rewriting, or rewriting. The right answer is native speaker's rewriting. Reformulation involves a native speaker's rewriting. The next is homophones are the same sound. Homophones are the same sound. Next, conferencing is if it is between teachers and one to student. I repeated this question is so much important. Conferencing is if it is between teachers and one to student. And the next is in peer assessment, the major problem of the learners, they don't consider the valuable argues of their peer. In peer assessment, the major problem of the learners, they don't consider the valuable argues of their peer. Next question is discrete tests have only one thing are tested. Discrete tests have only one thing are tested. And the next question is for email you will choose sheet Excel file. For email you will choose sheet Excel file. And the next is the word jargon is specialized vocabulary. And the next is the article the is often used in anaphoric, exophoric or cataphoric. No, all of the given options is right answer. The article the is often used in anaphoric, exophoric, cataphoric, all of the given options. Next, untrained native speaker can speak 250 per minute. So much important question is friend. Untrained native speaker can speak 250 per minute. The purpose of writing skill is to inform or to persuade the audience. इसका आंसर फ्रेंड्स आप हैंड आउट्स में से सर्च कर लीजिएगा. मैंने बहुत ढूंढा था लेकिन मुझे जो है अभी तक मुझे मिला नहीं, तो आप उधर सर्च कर सकते हैं. इंशाल्लाह ताला मैं एक वो भी वीडियो में बताऊंगा, वीडियो अपलोड करूंगा कि हैंड आउट्स में से आप किस तरह आंसर सर्च कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने अभी तक ये दरअसल इसका किया नहीं था, तो फिर जो है ना आप उसे सर्च कीजिए. तो चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर. डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन इज एन राइटिंग कन्वेंशन जेनरे. नो, ऑल ऑफ द गिवन ऑप्शन इज राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, here each learner write as quickly as possible in 4 or 5 minutes is called looping. So much important, I repeated. Here each learner write as quickly as possible in 4 or 5 minutes is called looping. Tense agreement is an grammatical cohesion. The tense agreement is an grammatical cohesion. And the next, which of these is used to separate short to coordinate clauses of a compound sentence? The right answer is semicolon. And the next is the word pedagogical means teaching. The word pedagogical means teaching. Next, which of the following is a constituent part of writing skills? Answer is that content, organization, originality, style, fluency, accuracy, or using appropriate rhetorical forms of discourse. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज फ्रेंड, पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि जो हमने पढ़ा है मैं दोबारा आपको बताता हूँ. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट पार्ट ऑफ राइटिंग स्किल्स? Content, organization, originality, style, fluency, accuracy, or using appropriate theoretical forms of discourse. It can be any one of them or any three of these would be given, and there would be an option all of the given, right? So come to the next. Next is punctuation is the part of writing mechanics. Punctuation is the part of writing mechanics. And the next is term publication is positive feedback. Term publication is positive feedback. A track change is process of electronic feedback. The right option is electronic feedback. And the next is good listeners concentrate on the message. फ्रेंड, ये जो येलो आइकन निशान लगे हुए हैं, ये येलो निशान वाले राइट आंसर हैं. ठीक हो गया. गुड लिसनर्स कंसंट्रेट ऑन द मैसेज. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज मोस्ट ऑफ आवर waking time goes in speaking. Most of our waking time goes in speaking. And the next is, as a sympathetic listener, you should consider the message from the point of view of the speaker. And the next is, when a listener abstracts, partially listening is blank. Next is, good listeners concentrate on the speaker's main thought. So much important MCQ फ्रेंड्स, बहुत दफ़ा रिपीट हो चुका है, मैं दोबारा रिपीट करता हूँ. गुड लिसनर्स concentrate on the speaker's main thought. And the next is that a reflective listener repeats the message essential parts. Next is a clarifying listener elaborates the speaker's underlying thoughts and feeling. And the next is listening and hearing refer to mental and physical acts respectively. And the next is listening to a large extent depends on a person's desire to know. And the next is listening, like speaking, reading and writing, is a skill. And the next is Dana Morris proposed 6 writing skills. Dana Morris proposed 6 writing skills. And the next is a logical extension of email exchange is the live chat environment. And the next is that select the word with correct spelling from the following options. Benefited, ये आप देख रहे हैं गलत स्पेलिंग है. नेक्स्ट बेनिफिटेड, इसमें डबल टी उन्होंने दिया, ये भी गलत है. नेक्स्ट बेनिफिटेड, इसमें भी डबल टी है, ये भी गलत है. और एन के आगे ई होना था, रॉन्ग. एंड नेक्स्ट इज बेनिफिटेड, राइट. ये आप देख सकते हैं, ये स्पेलिंग है बेनिफिटेड के, BENEFITED, बेनिफिटेड. एंड नेक्स्ट इज contingency plan is AVN, plan for alternative task. Contingency plan is an plan for alternative task. And the next is according to Sarah Banks, all writing is ideological. I repeat it again. According to Sarah Banks, all writing is ideological. And the next is choose the right spelling of acquaintance. These are the right spellings: ACQUAINTANCE, acquaintance. And the next is Lexical cohesion is related to word. Right option is word. And the next is skill is ignored in Pakistani textbook listening. Which skill is ignored in Pakistani textbooks? The right option is listening. And the next, which of the following are low level skill of writing? Punctuation, spelling, word choice, all of the given options. The right answer is all of the given options. And next is reading is close to listening. Reading is close to right option is listening. Next, the word validity is similar to legitimacy. The word validity means drusti. The word validity is similar to legitimacy. And the next is Pakistani textbook contains only options are questions, answer, match the statements, all of the given options. The right answer is all of the given options. Pakistani textbook contains only question answers and match the statement exercises like sent not exactly same. जी फ्रेंड्स, तो ये आगे कुछ और इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs हैं। तो ये हैं फ्रेंड्स वही जो कि हम ऊपर पढ़ चुके हैं। तो अगर आप रिपीट करना चाहें तो आप यहाँ से इन्हें रीड कर लीजिए। बाकी हैं ये वही जो हम ऊपर पढ़ चुके हैं, नीचे भी वही दिए गए हैं। अगर इनमें कोई और होगा तो मैं आपको ज़रूर फिर वो आपको दिखाऊंगा। विच इज़ नॉट इन द पंक्चुएशन हैशटैग, आगेस्ट ऑफ द मैसेज इज समरी, ये सब हम ऊपर पढ़ चुके हैं। रीफॉर्मुलेशन इन्वॉल्व द नेटिव स्पीकर री राइटिंग, तमाम हमने ऊपर पढ़ लिए हैं। तो अब हम फ्रेंड चलते हैं 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन पर, जो कि पास्ट पेपर्स में बार बार रिपीट हो चुके हैं। तो हम उन पर चलते हैं और उनकी तैयारी करते हैं। 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन 515 MELT। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज publication? The answer is another form of positive feedback is publication. I repeat it. Another form of positive feedback is publication. This can take many forms. Reading written work aloud to others is a form of publication. Having your work circulated or posted on the wall of the classroom is another. And having it appear in a printed collection is yet another. And the next question is situational syllabus and use in daily life. Situational syllabus and use in daily life. The answer is that a situational syllabus is one in which the content of language teaching is a collection of real or imaginary situations in which language occurs or is used. I repeated friends, a situational syllabus is one in which the content of language teaching is a collection of real or imaginary situations in which language occurs or is used. And a situation usually involves several participants who are engaged in some activity in a specific setting. Writing courses can be organized around situational transactions, such as applying for a job, complaining to a landlord, and writing letters to the newspaper, writing a business memo, or writing essay to pass a course. And the next question is difference between experience and independent task. Question is difference between experience and independent task. The answer is that the difference between an experience and independent task lies in the control and preparation that goes into an experience task. Experience tasks are planet so that learners are faced with only one aspect of the task that is outside their previous experience. Independent tasks do not involve this degree of control, and learners may be faced with several kinds of difficulty in the same task. And the next question is, what is hedging? What is hedging? Answer is that hedging language is also known as cautious language or vague language. In this context, a hedge is a cautious, vague, or evasive statement. Hedging words and phrases are the things we write and say in order to often our words, to make them less direct and to limit or qualify claims and statements we make. The next question is, name of different types of content for writing. Question is, name of different types of content for writing. There's a healthy controversy about what the content of writing classes should be, and teachers use any or all of the following: personal experience, social issues, cultural issues, literature, or the content of other subject areas. The next question is three sentences on hopes and ambitions. Three sentences on hopes and ambitions. The answer is that suppose students have been working on the topic of hope and ambitions. They can write three sentences about how they would like their lives to change in the future. They can write three sentences about how they would like their lives to change in the future. If they are discussing education, they can write sentences about why exams are a good thing or a bad thing. If they have been discussing antisocial behavior, the teacher can ask them to write three don't sentences. Example, don't listen to loud music after 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. And the next question is, benefits of creative writing for students. The answer is that creative writing tasks are neither the invented purpose end of our purpose climb, but they can still be very motivating since they provide opportunities for students to display their work, to show off, in other words, in a way that speaking often does not. The writing they produce can be pinned up on notice board, collected in class folders or magazines, or put up as a page on a class site, on a school internet, or on the World Wide Web itself. Nor should we forget that this use of writing is one of the few occasions that students write for a wider audience. For once, it may not just be the teacher who will read their work. Such an approach would even include, at some level, the putting together of a shopping list. But we are concerned here with tasks that provoke students to go beyond the everyday and which ask them to spread their linguistic wings. Spread their linguistic wings. Take some chances and use the language they are learning to express more personal or more complex thoughts and images. We can ask them to write stories on poems, to write journals, or to create dramatic scenarios. Next answer is, friends, close test. It's so much important question. So we come to the answer. Answer is that every fifth word has been taken out of a reading passage that the learners have never seen before. The learners must fill in the missing words by guessing. They look at the words before and after the empty space to help them guess the missing words. The test measures how close the reader's thought is to the writer's thought. And next question is positive feedback. Positive feedback is so much important question. The answer is that positive feedback on the content of learners writing can do a lot to increase the amount of writing that learners do and to improve their attitude to writing. This feedback includes comments like the following: the part about the fire was really interesting. Can you tell me more about that? You wrote that the end of the movie surprised you. What were you expecting? What were you expecting? Written feedback like this tells the writer that their work is being read, is understood, and interests the reader. Especially with the younger learners, it is important not to discourage writing by always giving feedback that points out the errors in the writing. And the next is there should be a place in a writing course for feedback on errors, but this kind of feedback needs to be very carefully balanced against the positive encouragement to write more. And these two kinds of feedback need to be separated. And the next question is importance of praise. Friends, so much important question. Important of praise. The answer is that praise is one of the simplest and most powerful tools to engage and motivating your students. I repeated, praise is one of the simplest and most powerful tools to engage and motivate your students. When used effectively, praise can turn around behavior challenge and improve students' attitudes about learning. Students who learn and think differently often receive negative feedback as a result of their struggles. This is a fact. And the next question is that structural type of a course design. So much important question. Structural type of a course design. The answer is that writing courses, particularly at beginning levels, can be organized around grammar and sentence patterns. A present tense paragraph one day, then a past tense paragraph, and so on. This was common in the 1960s, but is less so now. Structural courses nowadays are often organized by patterns of writing, forms, or genres, paragraphs with topic sentences, descriptions, analysis, and so on. The next question is, friends, write benefits of reviewing. Write benefits of reviewing. The answer is that this is done to check what ideas have already been included in the writing, to keep the coherence and flow of the writing, to stimulate further ideas, and to look for errors. Poor writers do not review or review only to look for errors. The next question, so much important, friend: writing forms for learning. The answer is that structural courses nowadays are often organized by patterns of writing forms or genres. Number 1, paragraphs with topic sentence. Number 2, description. Number 3, analysis. And the next question is morphemes. It's so much important question. Morpheme. The answer is that a meaningful morphological unit of a language that cannot be further divided. The next question is, why is it necessary to personalize editing instruction? The answer is that students and teachers should focus on major patterns of error rather than attempt to correct every single error. That's Lane 1993. Because not all students will make the same error. It is necessary and desirable to personalize editing instruction as much as possible. आई रिपीटेड दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रेंड सो मच इम्पॉर्टेंट, बहुत दफ़ा पास्ट पेपर्स में ये आ चुका है. वाई इज़ इट नेसेसरी टू पर्सनलाइज एडिटिंग इंस्ट्रक्शन? So answer is that students and teachers should focus on major patterns of error rather than attempt to correct every single error. Because not all students will make the same errors. It is necessary and desirable to personalize editing instruction as much as possible. And the next is question is friend group brainstorming. It's so much important question. The answer is that group members spew out ideas about the topic. Spontaneity is important here. There is no right or wrong answer. Students may cover familiar ground first and then move off to more abstract or wild territories. And the next question is three ways of reading assessment. The answer is that tests and quizzes, portfolios. Three ways of reading assessment: tests and quizzes and portfolio. Performance assessments, teacher questions, reading inventories, and teacher observations are the ways of reading assessment. Now, the next question is failure is part of life. Failure is part of life. The answer is that failure is probably one of the aspects in life most people are afraid of, but the truth is everyone has failed and everyone will fail again. We sometimes forget that all successful people have failed. It's so much important question. Friend, I repeated, failure is part of life. Failure is probably one of the aspects in life most people are afraid of, but the truth is, everyone has failed and everyone will fail again. We sometimes forget that all successful people have failed, but they did not stop after their failures. So do not be afraid of failure. It is a part of your road to success. And the next question is writing conference. It is so much important question. The writing conference is a one strategy that takes place between the student, writer, and the teacher. I repeated, the writing conference is a one strategy that takes place between the student, writer, and teacher. Conferring is perhaps the best opportunity for the direct and immediate teaching of the complex processes and skills involved in writing. Individual conferences generally are short, about 2 to 5 minutes, and occur while the other students are involved in their own independent writing projects. And the next question is, friend, fill in the blanks with suitable words. Words. technology, internet spread, the poor economic, smoke fire, and bankrupt. The first sentence is the growing childhood obesity epidemic is a result of technology. The next is much of the wildlife is dying because of the smoke fire. And the next question is difference between immigrants and international students. The answer is that we make a distinct distinction between immigrant and international students in this discussion because immigrant students, some of whom may be the children of immigrants or immigrants themselves, may have permanent resident status. Meanwhile, international students usually enter English speaking countries on student visas, complete their college or university studies, and subsequently return to their home countries. And the next question is, friend, what is holistic assessment? What is holistic assessment? The answer is that holistic assessment refers to the process of using multiple sources to continually gather information on a child's development, to provide feedback, or to support and guide learning. The next is, what is clustering? The next question is that what is clustering? The answer is that uh, cluster analysis or clustering is the task of grouping a set of objects in such a way that objects in the same group. I repeated answer. This is so much important. Cluster analysis or clustering is the task of grouping a set of objects in such a way that objects in the same group are more similar to each other than to those in other groups. Students from words related to a stimulus supplied by the teacher. The words are circled and then linked by lines to show discernible cluster. Clustering is a simple yet powerful strategy. Its visual character seems to stimulate the flow of association and is particularly good for students who know what they want to say but just can't say it. The next question is, how can you improve your reading skills? How can you improve reading skill? The answer is that set reading goals. Set reading goal. Set reading goal. The next is that read in portion. Number 3, let students guide their reading. Set reading goals. Have each student set their own reading goals. This can help them take action in building reading skills, and students will be more mindful of how they are improving. Read in portions. Long, complex reading can be more digestible by breaking it up into pieces. Shorter segments will help students retain the information as the class discusses the materials. It can also help students build confidence in understanding a complex subject. Next is, let students guide their reading. The answer is that your students process reading material and curriculum in very different ways. As you implement reading activities to help your class learn complex material, you will learn what works best for each student individually. And the next question is the following paragraphs is an example of cohesion coherence. Kara loves to cook dinner for her husband Carl, and the dinner that she likes cooking the most is lasagna, and lasagna is a very popular dish in Italy. Italians are also known for their heavy accents. Accents can tell you where in the world people come from. There are over 7 billion people on earth. Next, in this example, we can see the clear link between each sentence. Even though there is no set topic theme in the paragraph, this is cohesion. Cohesion can be evident without coherence. And the next question is three activities that can help in generating ideas at planning stage. The answer is that number one activity is that brainstorming. Number two activity is story boarding. Number three activity is that role playing. And the next question is three uses of but. Answer is that we use but to links items which are the same grammatical type. Coordinating conjunction but is used to connect ideas that contrast. But means except when it is used after words such as all, everything, nothing, everyone, no one, everybody, nobody. And the next question is write three sentences use but among them. This is related to a question. I want to go to the party, but I am so tired. The next example is I like her, but I don't like her friend. And the next, I studied for the test, but I don't think I did well. The next question is ESL, English as a second language. It's so much important question, friend. The answer is that this term is normally used to describe students who are living in the target language community and who need English to function in that community on a day to day basis. Recent immigrants and refugees, for example, will have specific writing needs such as the ability to fill in a range of forms or write particular kinds of letters, depending upon their exact needs and circumstances, alongside the need for journal English development. The next question is ESP, English for specific purposes. ये हमने ऊपर फ्रेंड्स MCQs में पढ़ा था that ESP stands for English for specific purposes. And the answer is that many students study English for a particular or specific purpose. People who are going to work as nurses in Britain or the USA, for example, will study medical English. Those who are going to study at an English medium university need to concentrate on English for academic purposes. Business students will concentrate on the language of management and commerce and so on. And the next is validity, practicality, and reliability of testing. Answer is that reliability a reliable test means that it should give the same results for similar groups of students and with different people marking. And the next is validity. To make a valid test, you must be clear about what you are testing. And practicality, no matter how valid or reliable our test is, it has to be practical to make and to take. This means that. And the next question is, friends, three uses of semicolon. So much important question. Use a semicolon to separate two independent clauses that are closely related. Number two, Unleash the mighty semicolon when using a conjunctive adverb to join two main clauses. Number 3. Use a pack of semicolons to make a bunch of competing comma more manageable and easy to understand. And the next question is, friends, three tasks in a language classroom. The answer is that experience tasks, number 2, shared tasks, guided tasks, and independent tasks. And the next question is that engaging writing. It's so much important question, friend. Engaging writing. The answer is that an engaging writing task is one that involves students not just intellectually but emotionally as well. It amuses them, intrigues them, or makes them feel good. When students are switched on by engaging tasks, there is a good chance that some of their doubts about writing will disappear. The next question is that instant writing. The next question is that instant writing. Answer is that there are stages in any lesson where students can be asked to write the spot without much in the way of preparation or warning. This is instant writing. I repeat it because it's so much important. There are stages in any lesson where students can be asked to write to the spot without much in the way of preparation or warning. This is instant writing. And the next question is, what is analysis assignment? The question is that what is analysis assignment? The answer is that analysis of information or facts requires writers to separate a whole into elements or component parts and identify relationships among these parts. Other types of analysis assignments include applying theories or interpretive methods to the object of analysis or a particular school of thought, distinguishing facts from theories, evaluating the validity of stated or unstated assumptions and or various types of relationships among events, identifying logical fallacies in arguments or specifying the author's purpose, bias or point of view. For example, Telf's book. Next question is process oriented writing pedagogies. The answer is that process oriented writing pedagogies focused particular attention on procedures for solving problems, discovering ideas, expressing them in writing, and revising emergent texts. So, friends, I repeated this question because it's so much important. The process oriented writing pedagogies focused particular attention on procedures for solving problems, discovering ideas, expressing them in writing, and revising emergent texts. Typically, in isolation from any cultural, educational, or socio political contexts in which writing might take place. Fairly divided process writing process writing proponents into two distinct categories: expre- expressivists and cognitivists. Expressivists viewed composing as a creative act in which the process, the discovery of the true self, is as important as the product. And the next is reading logs. So much important. A log is a regular record of work done. So much important, friends. I repeated. A log is a regular record of work done. When learners do extensive reading, they can keep a log noting the title, level, degree of enjoyment, and time taken to read for each graded reader or other book they read. And the next is, friend, reformulation. Reformulation. Answer is that reformulation involves a native speaker rewriting a learner's piece of writing so that the learners can then compare their first attempt with their reformulation. This is a very time consuming process which places a heavy burden on the native speaker. However, those who support this procedure speak very highly of it. Next is three examples of homophones. Answer is that homophones, words that sound the same but are spelled differently. Homophones, words that sound the same but are spelled differently, such as three, through, and through. Pairs of words that sound identical, like sun and sun. Sound is same, but spellings are different. Sun and sun. Su and so. Through and through. The next question is purpose of reinforcement writing. The answer is that reinforcement writing has always been used as a means of reinforcing language that has been taught. In its simplest form, teachers often ask students to write sentences using recently learned grammar. Suppose, for example, the intermediate students have recently been practicing the third conditional. If plus had not done plus would not have done. They might be given the following instruction: write two sentences about things which had turned out differently, and two sentences about things you are pleased about. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये आप देख सकते हैं, आप तमाम जो क्वेश्चन हैं ना यहाँ से रीड कीजिए। अब हम चलते हैं 5 मार्क्स वाले क्वेश्चन पर। ये तमाम बहुत अहम है, आप इन्हें यहाँ से रीड कीजिए। वीडियो को स्टिल कीजिए, वीडियो को स्टिल करके यहाँ से इन तमाम क्वेश्चन को रीड कीजिए। एडिटिंग इंस्ट्रक्शन, सोर्स ऑफ फीडबैक, व्हाट स्ट्रक्चरल टाइप ऑफ कोड डिज़ाइन एंड डिफरेंस बिटवीन जनरल एंड रजिस्टर। तो अब हम फ्रेंड्स आते हैं 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन पर। ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हैं, ये भी लाजमी हमने करने हैं। सो question number 1 is characteristics of curriculum in Pakistani government schools. Answer is that totality of activities, next a mean to an end, next mirror of curricular and co-curricular activities stands, and the next development of balanced personality, next dynamic, and next achievement of goals. Overall, the curriculum appears to cater to the future academic and professional needs of the learners. First of all, it focuses on all aspects of language, structures, phonology, language, discourse, and the four skills. Moreover, it suggests that use of a variety of activities and texts and introduces the concept of purposeful reading and writing. The next question is that how to compare the errors native and non-native students. Answer that syntactic and lexical errors among native and non-native students. When thinking about the importance of accuracy in the academic writing of NNS students, non-native speaker students, many ESL, English Second Language, and EAP teachers believe that syntactic and lexical errors in language 2 texts are not particularly damaging because native speakers Writers also make numerous mistakes in their texts. However, several studies have found that faculty in the discipline have a far more critical views of ESL errors than those of native speakers. And although the indications of error gravity vary across disciplines and even vary according to the age of faculty, the conclusions in all investigations largely remain similar. ESL errors in students' texts are costly in terms of grades and overall evaluations of work quality. And the next question is five stages of SEW in the process approach to teaching writing. Answer is that five stages are these: planning, drafting, revising, and editing, and responding, and evaluating, and post writing. These are seven stages, but you write five stages: planning, drafting, revising, editing, responding. And the next question is five types of writing. 5 marks के बहुत important question है. Five types of writing. Answer is that a note or formal letter. A note or formal letter. And the next is a formal letter and resume, summary, paraphrase, and narrative and description. तो फ्रेंड्स ये जो क्वेश्चन है आप यहाँ से वीडियो को स्टिल करके रीड कीजिए. नीचे चलते हैं. 5 यूजेज ऑफ कॉमर्स. बहुत अहम क्वेश्चन है फ्रेंड्स. 5 यूजेज ऑफ कॉमर्स. द आंसर इज दैट separating the main elements of a sentence from each other, and next setting of a parenthetical element from the rest of the sentence, and next separating elements in a series, setting of dialogues or quotations, and other uses of the comma. And next question is friends, writing is considered to be nucleus of language learning. Elaborated. ये आप फ्रेंड्स यहाँ से रीड कीजिए. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 5 सोर्सेज ऑफ फीडबैक फॉर रिटन वर्क. बहुत अहम क्वेश्चन है. आंसर इज दैट द फीडबैक कैन कम फ्रॉम द टीचर, from peers, and from the learners themselves in a self-assessment. The use of peer feedback can reduce the teacher's load but is also very valuable in helping writers develop a sense of audience. The use of self-assessment encourages metacognitive awareness of the writing process and the qualities of good writing. And the next question is elaborate dictocomp within 5 lines. तो फ्रेंड जैसा कि मैं पहले भी वीडियोस में बता चुका हूँ कि जब ये 5 मार्क्स वाले क्वेश्चन होते हैं इनके आंसर में अगर आप 5 लाइन्स का आंसर लिख दें तो ये आपका बहुत बड़ा आंसर कंसीडर किया जाता है. तो ये देख लें जैसे उन्होंने यहाँ बताया हुआ है. तो इतना ज़्यादा लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. आप अगर 5 या 6 लाइन लिख दें तो इसका मतलब आपने बहुत ज़्यादा लिख दिया है वर्चुअल यूनिवर्सिटी में उनके आंसर में, क्योंकि उन्होंने बताया होता है अक्सर ऊपर के 4 लाइन या 5 लाइन में इसका जो है ना जवाब दें आप. तो इसे आप यहाँ से वीडियो को स्टिल करके रीड कीजिए. चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर. प्रीफिक्स एंड सफिक्स विद 2 एग्जांपल्स ईच. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है ये. तकरीबन FA BA में भी प्रीफिक्स और सफिक्स के बारे में पढ़ा होता है. तो चलो अगेन रिपीट कर लेते हैं. प्रीफिक्स इज अ ग्रुप of letters placed before the root of a word. For example, the word unhappy consists of the prefix un, which means not. Combined with the root or stem word happy, the word unhappy means not happy. A suffix is a group of letters placed after the root of a word. For example, the word flavorless consists of the root word flavor combined with the suffix less, which means without. The word flavorless means having no flavor. Paul question. Paul sitting at home sequence. Right करना, राइट पैराग्राफ इन सीक्वेंस। तो ये फ्रेंड्स आप यहाँ से रीड कीजिए वीडियो को स्टिल करके। ये देखें आप, पर्पस ऑफ रीडिंग असेसमेंट, ये टेबल जो है इसे यहाँ से रीड कीजिए। एंड नेक्स्ट इज़ द नेम, इसे फ्रेंड्स आपने यहाँ से रीड कीजिए। नेम्स ऑफ 4 वेज ऑफ स्कोरिंग क्लोज टेस्ट, ये यहाँ से रीड कीजिए, वीडियो को स्टिल कीजिए। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हैं। एक्सप्लेन एग्जाम्पलिफिकेशन टास्क विद एग्जाम्पल। एंड नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज़ अ फंक्शनल सिलेबस, 3 टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ब एरर, सो मच इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज़ क्यूबिंग, देखिए बहुत ही अहम क्वेश्चन हैं। व्हाट इज़ क्यूबिंग, 5 लाइन। क्यूबिंग इज़ व्हेन द लर्नर कंसीडर द टॉपिक फ्रॉम 6 एंगल्स, डिस्क्राइब इट, compare it, associate it, analyze it, apply it, argue for and against it. They know the idea that each of these points of view suggest and decide which ones they will use in their writing. Next, 5 types of grammatical errors with examples. इन्हें भी फ्रेंड्स आप इसे यहाँ से रीड कीजिए। नेक्स्ट, लूपिंग के बारे में हम पहले MCQ में हमने पढ़ा है। तो नेक्स्ट इज रीडिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन, कोहेरेंट एंड कोहेजन डिफरेंस, नाउन्स विद करेक्शन, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। इनकरेक्ट, आई वुड लाइक टू बाय सम फर्नीचर, करेक्ट, आई वुड लाइक टू बाय सम फर्नीचर। इनकरेक्ट, आई वुड लाइक टू बाय सम फर्नीचर, फर्नीचर नहीं होना था, फर्नीचर होना था। इनकरेक्ट, हैव यू गॉट एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन, करेक्ट, हैव यू गॉट एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन। तो ये भी नहीं यहाँ से रीड कीजिए फ्रेंड्स। ऑन द नेक्स्ट इज ट्रेडिशनल एंड नॉन ट्रेडिशनल स्टूडेंट्स एंड इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ क्रिटिसिज्म फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, question point about students view teachers feedback, and characteristic of English curriculum in Pakistani government schools, so much important. Discrepancies of teaching reading and writing skill in Pakistani schools, so much important. 5 use of colon, teaching cause and effect, so much important. And the next lesson objectives, बहुत important है friends. And the next, characteristics of creative writing, and what is electronic feedback, write noun error sentence 5, बहुत important है। and next, compare and contrast, next, demonstrating, next, writing as ideological। फ्रेंड्स ये तमाम आंसर जो है इन्हें आप वीडियो को स्टिल करके रीड कीजिए। एंड नेक्स्ट, मेक अ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन ऑन रीडिंग स्किल 5 मार्क्स, ये यहाँ से रीड कीजिए। फास्ट रीडिंग इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ डिकोडिंग, एक्सपीरियंस एंड इंडिपेंडेंट टास्क, टाइप्स ऑफ राइटिंग, एक्सपोजिटरी, persuasive एंड नैरेटिव डिस्क्रिप्टिव, स्पेलिंग इन अमेरिकन एंड ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश। तो ये यहाँ से आप चेक कीजिए इनमें जो डिफरेंस है। एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज टेक्निक्स ऑफ स्पेलिंग लर्निंग। तो फ्रेंड्स आपने देखा ये तमाम क्वेश्चन जो हैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है और आपको बहुत इजी तरीके से समझाए गए हैं और आपने सब सुने हैं। और अगर आपने मुकम्मल देखें आपके यकीनन 70 से 80% मार्क्स लाजमन आ जाएंगे। तो बहुत शुक्रिया फ्रेंड्स वीडियो मुकम्मल देखने के लिए। अल्लाह आपका हाफिज़ होने के बान हो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।